Hello guys, welcome to Crunko Gunko. I actually haven't posted in a while and I'm actually doing a voice reveal. I honestly don't really care what you guys are gonna say. Okay, so today we're gonna be playing Ragdoll Engine. Alright. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm going to become king of the hill. You guys should offer me this bomb. Oh, yo! I've just been banned. Okay, let me I would like Get off, Momo. Get off, Momo. Yeah, Momo, chase me. Well, I didn't see that. Are you okay, bro? Are you? Yo, I was trying to help you. No, you're. Oh, you're evil, bro. You're. No. Y'all are evil. No. Hey, that's not fair. That's not. No, that's genuinely not fair, bro. Stop doing me. Okay, speedrunner 99. Thank you for your service. I would really like a cheeseburger. What? He's immortal. Or he's the actual king of the hill. Yo, these guys, they're trying to ruin me. No one will be able to sit. I want to sit. Okay. Yo! I've just been knocked off for trying to help. Oh. Okay. Go on the chair. I deserve this! Yes! You all shall bow down to me. You all shall bow down to me. Yeah. Okay, sirs. Alright, sirs, you know, I'm the owner of this place. You know, y'all gotta bow down to me. Okay, let me try to get it to 1,000. Yo, you're not the leader of this place, man. Yo, you're not the leader of this place, man. Yo, let me get it to 1,000 again. Let me get it to 1,000. You're not the protector of this palace. It's on him. He's so good, bro. He's so good. I'm just gonna snipe him. Okay, thank you. Kaboom! I'd like to sit down. Are you gonna knock me off, bro? Okay. I'm just gonna lay right there. I wanna be the king. Okay, I wanna be the king. I wanna be the king. No! No! Oh. Yo, I just spawned in, bro. Okay, let's make use of my invincibility. I shall become the Okay, why are you defending it, bro? Please, just let me sit on the chair. I want to sit. My legs have been going on for 5 years, bro. Get off, boy. I'm the defender of the... Oh. Oh well. Because he ended himself. So why is everyone like here? Alright.